Right, we're at the Mayon Skyline, which, as a lot of foreigners know who live here, it's just outside.
We are in tobacco.
And we've just been to La Gadsby, then we went to Kansawa. Now we've come here. It's a quick visit. As you can see, it's getting dark. It's 5 to 6.
It's so cold here.
It's very cold. They're doing renovations apparently. They're renovating the place. Things didn't go too well with the pandemic.
Nobody's here.
Well, they wouldn't be here at this time of night, would they? There's nothing to do. It's only us fools. Look at all the burning that's going off over there, guys. They're burning the fields.
Oi! Si mga aki! Look, the kids! It's full there. Oi!
Well, what's the problem?
It's full. It's okay then?
Yeah.
Let's go down.
God, you get so excited. Look at how excited they are, you see? Least bit thing, guys, entertains Filipinos. They don't need a lot. You can't see the volcano because it's covered in rain cloud. Hello, Sander. So I wouldn't have normally done a video, but you know, I keep getting told, Chris, your videos are too long. Start doing 5-minute videos. So this is a 5-minute video. There's a few, yeah, the light's good if the cloud wasn't there, but a lot of this is smoke.
We've been here before, remember?
We've been here, this is our 3rd time.
With Edward before, right?
Edward was the first time when I first met you. Yeah. And you did a photograph here. I might even put it on the end if I can find it.
Right?
Yeah, you were skinny, yeah. Happy days. I'm only joking. Yeah, she took the photo on here. She stood on here and took the photo with that in the background. And I can't believe we've come here, guys, because it was getting really late, and then all of a sudden they decided they were going off-road, because Mel said, I think they're going to Mayon Skyline, and I said, no, it's too far off the beaten track. It's too far. You think it's cold here, you want to go to the UK at the minute, you'll know what cold is, or the North Pole. Look at it, look at the views. You see, there's no reason, even though the place is under renovation, they're building something down here. I don't know what it is, whether it's a new building or what. It's still a nice place to come during the day and have a picnic. Some lovely views, and when you're with your Filipino family, they'll make entertainment for you. See, there's the sea over there, water.
Did you hear what Matthew said?
No.
He said, I don't want to hear, it's so cold. But he speak Bicol.
Yeah. It's weird, you know, when I ask them to speak Bicol, they won't do it. They'll just speak English to me. But when they're with the kids, it just goes straight. You see, he's doing English now because he's near us. When he's with the kids, he goes straight into Bicol. But his Bicol's not as good as Fia's. Fia's Bicol's a lot better. And her English.
Pia, come here! We'll do a picture! Sabihin nyo on the end of the video. Matt!
So, even the last video, guys, it wasn't spectacular. You've got to understand, like this, it's a few-minute visit, a few photographs before it gets dark, and then we're off. If we'd have gone to the other place, what was the other place? Oh, God. What was its name, the other place we went to? We've just been.
Kagsawa.
Yeah, if we'd have got there earlier, we'd have gone on the 4x4s and stuff. I think I said that on the video. I'll know now because I'm just editing it. So, as you can see down here, they've dug into the hillside here, and there's a big pipe coming through the ground. I don't know what that is, or they're building a well, or I don't know. But there's obviously some major construction. This road up here, it bends, it's steep, so I wouldn't advise you come up here with a car that's not in very good condition, because you'll probably not make it, because you're in second gear most of the time. Unless, I guess, you had a big 4x4, then maybe not. Oh, again, you don't know what cold is. Yeah, it's a little bit cold, but this would be quite warm to me in the west. Yeah.
Let's do a group picture here, dali na.
Your mum doesn't want to be coming down here, Mal. No, it's too steep for her getting back. Yeah, the last time we come here, the place was in a lot better condition than it is now, but we're talking years ago. So Dua and Mane, Mel's brother and sister, they're the only ones that got the passports. Yeah. So out of 5 people, only 2 got the passports.
At least they.
Yeah. Unfortunately, with this young lady here, she's got to wait till her mum comes to the Philippines. She's coming in July. Her mum will get a passport then. Kelly's pretty upset, but hey. And her mum and dad, they're just laughing. They don't really care. No, it's too much for your mum to come down here, Mel. Oh, look at them all. Are you taking a photo of that for the thumbnail? You've done it already. Okay. Kelly's running out the photo, look. Can't believe she's only 12 and she's as tall as Mel.
Can you take a picture of me there? Ay, Mane!
I can't take a picture.
Mane!
No,
it's okay.
So I was going to do then. I'm very obliging. Oh, here we go. Somebody doesn't like it. So that's it. You've got to give this place a visit. When there's not so much cloud cover. I can remember the first time I come, I brought my drone, the one that flew off. And I put it up in the air, but the wind was that strong I couldn't risk it, and I brought it down again. I didn't use the footage. But I was going to send it way over there. I was going to send it up into the volcano bit. Oh, bless. Isn't it lovely bringing the little kids? Do you know, I don't know if it's just me, but when you're getting older, I mean, don't get me wrong, I love the kids, but I watch the parents and the kids are screaming and fighting and climbing on stuff, and the parents just ignore it. I don't think many foreigners would. We just took a family selfie. Everybody's come down for that. It's getting really, really cold now. Most of the girls are shivering. Tell you, I don't know how a lot of them adapt, whether it's America, Holland, wherever they've gone, UK, when it's really cold, which if you live in the UK, it's most of the year round, even summer. The summers aren't hot anymore. They used to be like when I was a kid. There's loads of lovely hot sunny days. I'd leave the house in the morning and I didn't come back till the evening. I was never in the house. Oh, you can hardly see anything now, guys.
People here.
Yeah, I know. I've got it, Dave. I've got it. You're cold. Ow. It's over to Mal.
Please hit the like button and please
Subscribe and share our videos, and please help our channel if you're in a position to do so, guys. Thank you. See you on the next one.
Bye.
Hi everybody, we're pretty excited. YouTube has given us super thanks.
Yeah.
So now when you're watching a video, it doesn't have to be a live video. You go down to the bottom of the video and click on the thanks and the heart, then you can send us a coffee. We'll very much appreciate it.
Our pizza, chocolate.
If you want to support our channel, or you're just really pleased with the video you just watched, you can send us a copy. We'll really appreciate it.
Yeah.
If not, just continue to support us, watch your videos, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye!
Bye!
Please subscribe to Brit in the Philippines.
Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to leave this out. We got this far, don't